Yeah, I'm Richard Wright. I'm the Executive Director of Sheffield Chamber of Commerce. Everybody, in Sheffield thinks we're a manufacturing city, and it's absolutely right. We're above the national averages on the percentage of our GDP, which is down to manufacturing. It's very much now more the modern manufacturing, and our real strength in that area is our materials technology. We actually make really high performance materials that are at the base of all the supply chains that feed aerospace and oil and gas. And we don't have a plane manufacturer, we don't have a car manufacturer, but actually we feed materials into all of those people. So sometimes I say we know how to arrange atoms, we know how to make materials, and that is very, very, very important to us, and it's backed up by a lot of the work and research that's done in the universities. Take the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre for one. And then the other one that's really coming through, I think, is the wellness agenda. This is the use of activity and sport to improve people's health and reduce the load on the health service. And the big Olympic Legacy Park that we're building down in the Lower Don Valley is just so far ahead of its time. We're building actually the Advanced Wellness Research Centre, which is the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, but it's now for wellness. And it's a great concept, because that is really going to put us ahead. And it's interesting, the University of Sheffield leads very much on the manufacturing, whereas Sheffield Hallam leads very much on the wellness agenda, the health agenda. What we could do better is actually grow the private sector economy. I think we need to do that. As a city, we still have too much of our income, our GDP, locked into the public sector. When you add up the local authorities, the health service, education, we're over 50%, and that's not good enough. I think we still, in many areas, need to be relating ourselves to the world as a competition rather than other cities in the UK or other parts of the UK. It's an international world now. There are international competitors, there are international customers. But when I say we don't do that very well, I'm not saying we do it worse than the rest, but you'll never, ever get to the end of that, because the world changes. It's always moving in front of you. We got very complacent in the 70s and the 80s in our industries, and we lost competitiveness. Other people came up from behind us, like Japan. What would I do? I'd like to see more private sector as a percentage of our GDP.